So hey coders, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to plot a graph using Python. So first of all, as you know, it's an command graph plotting, and now to moving to the next line, I am importing a module named as matplotlib pyplot. And moving to the next line, I'm taking a variable as x and taking as a list, and it is containing name of three subjects as maths, English, or you can say last one is Hindi. In the next line I am taking another variable name as y. In this I am taking the marks obtained by a student in these subjects, let's say 56, 34, 67. Moving to the next line, I am plotting this graph using plot function in matplotlib module. So let's say plt dot plot x comma y. Moving to the next line, I am now giving some labels to the x-axis and the y-axis. So to giving the names of these labels, you have to use x label function and y label function. So the syntax is plt dot x label, sorry, it's my spelling mistake, x label, let's say this subject, moving to the next line, I'm giving the another label to y-axis. So use plt dot y label, and it is marks. Now in the last I'm giving the title to this graph. So syntax is plt dot title. You can give this as a title, subject marks, or sorry, now in the last I will show you this graph by using show method in Python. In this module it has a show method with syntax is plt dot show. Now let's call this function and show the graph. Here is our graph in which maths subject the student has uh, the student has taken 56 in maths and 34 in English, and in Hindi he has got 67. And here is the title of this graph: subject marks, and these labels are here. Subjects are the label of y-axis and marks is the label of y-axis. Hope you like it and understand how to plot a graph using Python. So if you enjoyed this video, do comment down your best part of this video and like it and share it and support my channel, and thanks for watching.